Howdy grade sixes, it's Mr. Larden. I'm here for another play-along lesson. So, get your instruments out, get ready to make some music and annoy your family. We're going to start with our warm-up. And we're going to start with something that Mr. Larden should have already had ready to go, but he didn't. He failed. No, we're going to start on page 10 with our warm-up. We're just going to do the Serenity round because it's simple and that will be a good warm-up. And then we will get back to where we were before. Oh, my metronome. Oops. Almost forgot. That'll do. Okay, we'll do the repeat. Make sure you do all the slurs and everything. 1, 2, 3. That's why we warm up. Okay. So I believe the last session I did, we got up to number 60 on page 16. So I actually want to do one more warm-up one. We're going to do number 56 on page 16, which is the warm-up chorale. Once again, I'll play the A part the first time, and you can play the A part with me, or you can play the B part alongside, and then I'll do the B part, and you can do either or. It's up to you. 1, 2, 3. So that's our A part. Now I'm going to play the B part. If you're keener, you play the A part with me. Okay? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, hopefully you guys did your homework and you actually looked at number 60. It's really helpful. These green ones are more helpful for your growth on your instrument than any of these other exercises. But we're going to push on today, and we're going to actually move on to page 17. We're going to move on to 3/4 time signature. Okay, and so we've done 2/4, right, which is like 2 beats in a measure, and we've done 4/4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You guys should be very familiar with that one, or common time. And then now we're doing 3/4, okay? So just a quick refresher, when we're doing 3/4, it means we have 3. The 3 means the number, how many, and the 4 tells us what note, and that's how many beats and what the beat is worth in a measure. So we have 3 beats to measure for the 3, and the 4 indicates quarter notes. So 3 quarter notes per measure. Okay. So each metronome tick is a quarter note. Ta 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 ta. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And a little reminder: when I'm conducting, okay, not that you guys get to watch me conduct much now, but whenever I'm doing conducting, right, the last beat of a measure, you'll notice my hand always goes up, right? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. The last measure is always up, or the last beat of the measure is up. We refer to that as the up beat, which is the up beat that lands right before the downbeat, because the first beat of a measure is always down when with the conductor, right? 1, 2, 3, up, down, 2, 3, up, and then 1 in 2/4 it's literally only up and down. 1, 2, down, up, and in 3/4 we have 1, 2, up, down, 2, up. Okay. So in 3/4 we have 3 beats, okay? And we have some ties here, okay? When we have a note that is worth 3 beats, we have half notes, which are worth 2. And if we take a half note and we put a little dot next to it, we get a dotted half note, which is worth 3, right? So when you take a dot and you add that to a note, it means add half its value, okay? So if we got our half note of 2 beats, we get to add half its value, which is 1. We got 3, okay? So we're going to look at number 61 here, and with a nice, ridiculous, embarrassing voice, you're going to say, Todd, you're going to say the rhythm for me, so your family can hear, okay, of number 61, rhythm time. And if you're a real cool cat, you'll conduct with me while you do it. So you go like down, right, up, down, right, up, down, right, up, floor, wall, ceiling. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Ta, 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 ti, ti, ta, 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 ta. Okay? Now you notice that we have that arcing line in measure 2. That is a tie, not a slur, because there is no different note, so it can't be a slur, right? A slur just means smoothly connected, right? But a tie means you add them together. So we're going to try number 62, which is in counter in 3. I'm going to slow this down a little bit. Okay. Now it has the exact same rhythm as the previous exercise, but it also has a key signature. Okay? And it's very important that at the beginning of any piece, even if it's these little exercises, always check your key signature and time signature before you play. You need to know what time you're in, and you need to know which notes are changed. In this case, we have 1 flat at the beginning if you are a clarinet, trumpet, or tenor, which means we're going to have B flat, right? So that's different than B natural. And if you are a trombone or a flute or a bass player, you're going to have B flat, E flat, and then A flat, which is the 3rd note, which is the different one, right? So, and last, our alto sax is you're going to have F natural. You're not going to have anything, okay? Which normally you should see 1 sharp. You should see an F sharp, but they've taken that out, which means you have no F sharp, just F natural instead, okay? Always check your key signature. So we'll try this, and if you don't get it the first time, slow down this video or try it again, do it in your own time. This is videos just to kind of give you some guidance, okay? So, 62. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. If that was easy, great. Figure out what you could have done to make it even better. And if you really had trouble with that, try it again. Just keep trying it until you get it. And don't get discouraged and do the whole, I can't do it, it's too hard. It's not too hard. Just try it again. There's literally no penalty for doing it again. The only thing you get is better. So just do it again. Okay? Now I'm going to try number 63 here. Now this one's got a piano marking. We have some dynamics now, right? So piano meaning soft. Doesn't necessarily mean quiet. I mean, it kind of does. But it's more about the softness, right? A softer approach, right? We don't want to be like, blah! You know, blastissimo. It means a soft approach. Delicate, right? And it has a key signature. It's in 3/4, and we have a pickup note this time, okay? So I'm going to give you your pickup. I'm going to count it in, I'll give you a bar in 2, because the last beat of a 3/4 measure is 3, so that'd be like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, right? Because it's the last beat of the measure. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Oh, Mr. Lardon cheated. I put a breath where I wasn't supposed to. I'm sorry, forgive me. So if you're having trouble with that, just try it again. No fault in I don't expect any of you necessarily to be able to kind of just see this exercise and go, easy, no problem. No, this is supposed to be challenging for you guys, okay? So, and if it is easy for some reason, then ask yourself if there's anything you could be doing that's better. I can name a whole ton of stuff that I could think that I could be doing that's better, that I could be doing better. And this is like beginner stuff, right? I'm like, my air support wasn't super great on that one. My tonguing wasn't very clear. My fingers were sloppy. There's a lot I could do. Everybody can always do better, okay? Our last one we're gonna look at here is, I've just come from Sydney. Now this one has an F, so that's forte, which means strength or strong. Some people would say loud. I would say they're incorrect. And this is actually a theme from a really famous concert band piece. So this is like actual legit concert band music. It's got some big jumps in it, so few of you might need to take a few tries in this one. Okay, it needs to be big and full because it is forte. I'm going to try and angle away from the mic so I don't blow the speakers. 1, 2, 3. The second ending and the first ending, so you got to make sure you skip those 2 bars when you do the repeat. And there's no slurs in that one, so everything needs to be tongued and crisp, right? Ta 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 ta, and we don't want like bap bap bap. That doesn't mean you're tonguing it, okay? You need to make sure your air moves, through the note, okay? And you know what? Yeah, that's probably lots actually for you guys. I am working on getting you guys. I'd like to try and get you guys up to the good life. And by the end of the year, I'd like us to be doing March Across the Seas, Banana Boat Song, Procession from Water Music. But if you can do all of the exercises up to those songs are going to be easy peasy for you guys, okay? And I think what I'll do is I'm going to try and record every single part all into one video where I'm playing all the instruments. I'll put it up on this channel, and then you guys can try and play along if you like, okay? So, thanks for tuning in. I hope this gives you some stuff to work on till Monday, and then I'll have some more stuff for you. And in the meantime, keep on playing. I only know a few of you are actually watching these videos, but for those of you that are, awesome. Thank you. That's great. And I miss you guys. See you guys eventually. Bye-bye.